In question number 12, we have sum of first three terms of a GP is 39 upon 10 and the product is 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. Okay. Product of the terms is given? Yes. So which three terms will you consider, right? Now, the first three terms I can choose. Let AR square be the first three terms. That's one of the choice. That's one choice. Why am I calling it one choice? Because I have another choice. Whenever you are given terms in GP and product is given, then you can maybe think in other terms as well. That is, you can maybe consider A upon R, AR as the three numbers. This is another possibility. This is another possibility which works wonders, right? What happens in this case, the product, as you can see, is A, R gets cancelled, A power 3 is the product, and that product is given to be 1. So you directly get the value of A, that is one of the variables solved. Single step. For solving the other variable, you should be given another condition, and that's this 39 upon 10 over there, right? So that's one of the standard ways of considering the three numbers when they are in GP and the product is given. Why am I specifying that the product is given? Because only the product will eliminate R, right? Okay, so should we choose these or should we choose those numbers? Okay, we can always go ahead with that one, right? Because A is 1, you can clearly observe that will be the case. In this particular case, maybe we'll face certain amount of difficulties in calculations, but then let's go the hard way. Why? What's the harm in that, right? You can always practice on your desk using these few numbers, but on the board, let me solve this with the help of AR and AR square. Slightly complicated, but then we'll be able to manage, I suppose. Sum of the first three terms of a GP is 39 upon 10. So it is given that A plus AR square is 39 upon 10. Product is 1. What does that tell me? AR square is equal to 1. That tells me A power 3, R power 3 is equal to 1. Or that tells me that AR is equal to 1. Right? Cube root of 1 is 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. That's the question in front of us. Okay. So first, let's focus on finding the common ratio. A can be replaced with 1 upon R. So this becomes 1 upon R plus 1 plus R is equal to 39 upon 10. Now do you observe that had you started from here, you would have obtained A equals 1, and after you put A equals 1, this is 1 by R, 1 and R only. You would have reached exactly this stage, right? Which looks pretty easy, right? Such calculations, basically you directly get the value of A. Mind you, A is not the first term in this case. A is the first term here. Here the first term will be A by R. Common ratio is still R, but the first term is A by R, right? Take care of that. Now, how do we attempt this? So let's multiply throughout with R times 10. R times 10, those are the two numbers in denominator. So 10R upon R will be 10 plus this is 10R plus this is 10R square and this is 39R. That tells me, okay, 10R square minus 29R plus 10 is equal to 0. That's what you get, right? Taking that 39R from the left hand side into the right hand side. And now 10 into 10 is 100. 100 can be broken down factorized to give you some 29. 25 into 4 is okay? Yes, 25 into 4 is okay. So this is 10R square minus 25R minus 4R plus 10 is equal to 0. Can we take out something common from here? Yes, 5R will come out common. And what remains is 2R minus 5. 5R came out common from there. 2R minus 5 remains. At minus 2 will come out common from here. This is what remains. Okay. Therefore, R will be equal to 5 by 2, or R is equal to, from here, 2 by 5. This is what you get, right? Either this is 0 or this is 0, since the product is 0, this or this. Okay, R is 5 by 2 or 2 by 5. We have found the common ratio, either this or this is the common ratio. And the terms, depending upon the value of r, we can get this. Depending upon the value of a, since ar is equal to 1, this tells me a will be equal to 1 upon r, which is 2 upon 5. Or a is equal to 1 upon r, which is 5 upon 2. Okay. So terms in this case will be a 2 by 5, ar which is 1, ar square which is again multiplied by 5 by 2. This is what you get, right? Terms in this case will be 5 by 2, which is the first term. Multiply by 2 by 5, this will be 1, and multiply by 2 by 5, this will be 2 by 5. Either this or this is my final answer for this question. Common ratio, if this is the common ratio, these are the terms. If this is the common ratio, these are the terms that you have for this geometric progression. That's a complete solution for this 12th question, as you can see over here.